Bezawit Haile-Georgis shows us what the happier times were like before the disappearance of her husband, who's a journalist.
It's really hard to explain to a 3.5-year-old that her father is not coming home. He's not calling. He's not taking her to a school. Because I thought it was for a temporary situation. But when I see it, it's months are coming. I took her to the prison, which is a very horrendous experience for me. She could know he's not free.
Her husband, Anania Sori, hasn't been to court or heard the charges against him in the 2 months he's been in jail. All he knows is that he was arrested under emergency law. It was enacted last year to crack down on anti-government protests. The journalist says he was working and wasn't protesting. We asked Ethiopia's communication minister why he's being held.
They were arrested because they expressed their grievance, agitated by misinformation in a way that transgresses the rights of others.
His answer suggests it's the journalist's writing the government has an issue with. Ethiopian government ministers say they don't have a problem with protests, but will not tolerate violence or inciting violence. To drive the point home, prisoners are made to attend training courses in jail. They're taught a range of subjects, from peaceful protests to democracy and human rights. A former detainee told Al Jazeera the government isn't holding itself to the same standards.
The most difficult part in the detention center was the uncertainty. We didn't know about what the people there who were training us were going to do to us. We didn't have any access to family nor to lawyer.
The jailed journalist's wife has news from her husband, but it isn't comforting. She hopes his case is heard soon for the sake of their daughter. Emiko Molu, Al Jazeera.